Hey everyone.
Welcome back to Ayaan TV. Today, we're diving into the top 10 must-have tools for beginner graphic designers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your toolkit, these essentials will help you create stunning designs. Let's get started. First tool of the list is Adobe Creative Cloud. This suite offers industry-standard software like Photoshop for image editing, Illustrator for vector graphics, and InDesign for layout design. It's a bit pricey but offers a student discount and a wide range of tools that are well worth the investment. Number 2, Canva. If you're not ready to dive into the complexity of Adobe, Canva is a fantastic alternative. It's user-friendly and perfect for creating social media graphics, presentations, and more with its drag-and-drop interface. Coming in at number 3, Sketch. Ideal for UI/UX design, Sketch is a vector-based tool that's great for designing websites and mobile apps. It's especially popular among web designers and comes with a variety of plugins to extend its functionality. Fourth on the list is Figma. Similar to Sketch, but with powerful collaboration features. Figma allows multiple designers to work on a project simultaneously, making it perfect for team projects and remote work. At number 5, we have Affinity Designer, a great alternative to Adobe Illustrator. Affinity Designer is a one-time purchase with no subscription fees. It's versatile, powerful, and excellent for vector graphics. Sixth, Procreate. Exclusively for iPad, Procreate is a fantastic tool for digital painting and illustration. Its intuitive interface and powerful features make it a favorite among digital artists. Number 7, Inkscape. This is a free, open-source vector graphics editor. It's a great starting point for beginners who are not ready to invest in premium software. Inkscape offers a lot of features similar to Illustrator. At number 8, GIMP. Another free open-source tool, GIMP is a versatile image editor with capabilities similar to Photoshop. It's perfect for those who need robust editing features without the cost. Ninth on our list is Blender. While primarily a 3D graphics tool, Blender offers powerful features for modeling, rendering, and animation. It's free and open source, making it accessible for beginners interested in 3D design. Last but not least, good old pen and paper. Sometimes the best ideas start with a simple sketch. Pen and paper are essential for brainstorming, quick sketches, and laying out initial design concepts before going digital. And there you have it, our top 10 must-have tools for beginner graphic designers. Did we miss any of your favorites? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hola!